Are you ready to transform your everyday ponytail into a voluminous masterpiece? You've come to the right place. Welcome to our quick and easy tutorial on a ponytail hack you simply must try. Get ready to elevate your hair game. This hack will help you achieve a sleek, voluminous ponytail that looks effortlessly chic every single time. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to create your perfect ponytail. First, ensure your hair is brushed and free of tangles. You can add a little texture spray for extra grip if desired. Divide your hair into two horizontal sections, an upper section from ear to ear and a lower section. Take the upper section of your hair and create a high ponytail, securing it tightly with a hair tie. Now take the lower section of your hair and create a second ponytail, directly underneath the first one. This one should be less visible. Carefully gather both ponytails together and hold them as one. This creates the illusion of one long, full ponytail. Use bobby pins or another hair tie to secure and adjust, ensuring both ponytails blend seamlessly. Tug gently for added volume, and there you have it. A beautiful, voluminous ponytail that's ready to turn heads. Showcase your sleek, voluminous ponytail with confidence. This hack makes your hair look thicker and longer. Try this hack and share your stunning results with us. For more hair tips and style suggestions, follow our channel.